Hetty's had a makeover. The limited edition Lilac Hetty is back and I just had to get my hands on one. Today I'll be unboxing her and showing you what to expect if you're looking to buy one. Let's get on with it. The tools and hose can just wait for in a bit. We need to get to Hetty. And here she is. Are you ready?
Wow, she's beautiful.
Just look at her. She's even better in real life. That colour's amazing. Now I'm going to quickly go and get her tools and I'm going to show you what to expect as far as they're concerned. She comes with everything you'd expect. The hose, the metal pipes, the combination floor tool and also these little tools. She has a 10-metre cable which means I can reach from here to 10 metres away. She's a single speed and basically she's exactly the same as the pink Hetty, just a little bit more special. Pink Hetty, so sensitive. If you've never used a Henry or a Hetty vacuum before, where have you been? These things are built like tanks, their suction is amazing and also their parts actually last. So much so that if you buy one of these today, you will never ever have to buy a vacuum cleaner again. They are serviceable and repairable for life. So what do you think of her? Let me know in the comments. Will you be buying one? Or do you have any questions? I'm more than happy to try and help. But before I go, if you think this Hetty is special, I've got someone else to introduce you to. I just wanted to say a quick hello to one of my younger viewers, Ted. Now Ted is only 7 years old, but he already owns 34 Numatic vacuum cleaners. Wow. Henry goes everywhere with him, and guess what? He even repairs them. Ted, thank you so much for watching all my videos. I did wonder where all the views were coming from. Think you're doing an amazing job and you're definitely a vacuum expert in the making. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. This next video was the first review video that I ever did on the Henry XL Plus.